Alright, we've got the Corsair ML120 Pro LED white magnetic levitation fan. It's a PWM fan. Like I said, it's a white LED. I just picked it up at Best Buy for, it's like 28 bucks. So it's a pretty spendy little fan here. I got it because I have the Corsair, or sorry, not Corsair, Cooler Master Liquid 240 liquid cooler in my new build, and the cooler on there, the fans on the cooler are just, they're a bit noisy. So I just wanted something that would perform a little better and keep it nice and quiet, because the other fans I have in there are the Corsair AF series. I've got one 140 in the front and a 120 in the back for the exhaust, and they're both pretty quiet, and I'm able to keep them at a low RPM. But the stock Cooler Master Liquid 240 fans, they're just, once that cooler gets going, once the CPU gets a little bit hot, even with the fan curve that I have it on, which is a pretty conservative curve, it's more on keeping it quiet as opposed to keeping it cool for the most part, but still cool, plenty cool enough. The cooler's great. I just wanted a little bit better performance so I could run these at lower RPM and keep the system nice and quiet. So I'm excited to try these out. They're 4-pin, so this is all that comes in the box. I mean, you've got the fan with just a 4-pin connector, and looks like probably just some screws. Yeah, a couple of screws and zip ties for mounting, warranty. But yeah, that's one benefit to going LED rather than with the whole RGB setup, because with that you've got to run power, you've got to run the RGB connectors, so it's just a lot more cable management. But I'm kind of going for the classic just white lights in my build, so this will go really well with the whole theme. So I'm excited to give these a try, and I will probably show the install and just do some basic noise tests. I mean, they have plenty of tests online that actually do the decibels and all. I'm not going to get all into that because there's plenty of information on that already. But just wanted to give a quick overview and kind of my experience with the product. But it feels like it's really high quality. It's a pretty heavy fan. So yeah, I'm excited to see how it performs.